Hello everyone. So today we'll be solving another problem in our array algo series. So this problem states that search a particular number in a sorted and rotated array. So previously we find the minimum in a sorted and rotated array. This problem is similar, but we have to find a particular number. So the obvious solution here is like OFN, where you just have to go from left to right, and when the target meets, and you just have to return the number. But the question says like we have to find it in OF log n. So definitely we have to implement a binary search. So if the total array is sorted, then we just from left to right, then we have a mid, and based on the target value we just move the pointers, right? And that's how the binary search would work. But in this particular case, because we now have two different portion of the array, right? Because it's rotated, so either left or right. So we have to consider the things like that way. So let's see how we're gonna solve it. So for example, let's see that we have an array here, like come on. So we have an array here. Let's say it's given like 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, and 2. Sorry, 0, 1, and 2, right? So here it is rotated. So in this particular case, we will be definitely taking two pointers, right? Two pointers, like one is at the beginning, like it's a 0th index, and second one will be at the end, that is 6th index. And then we're going to calculate mid, that is 0 plus 6 equals by 2, that is 3, right? So at 7. So now this is, let's call it mid, m index, then left, and then right, right? So now if left is less than mid, right, in this portion, it means this array is sorted already. If left is less than mid, right? So in this particular case, if our target is less than 4, means out of this boundary, or the target is greater than this 7, it means obviously our target is not there in this portion, right? If our target is less than this left or greater than this mid, target is greater than mid, it's definitely not in this section. So we will be moving this left pointer to the mid. So left will be to mid, else we're gonna move right to the mid, right? And other way around, if this condition fails, then we have to check the reverse. What is the reverse? If target is greater than this target, right? If target is greater than right, if target is greater than right, or target is less than mid. If that condition become true, it means now our target will be in this side of the array, not in this side, but in this side. So, and then we just have to do the same thing, right? We have to move the right target to mid, else left to mid, and so on. And whenever we find the target, we just have to return the target. As simple as that. So now let's just implement this logic in our code. So now we just have to do it here like first we have to find our the indexes, like let left will be simple, like definitely 0, and let right will be our length, nums dot length minus 1, right? And let's create a default value or result that is like -1. So whenever we don't find a particular target in our array, we're gonna return -1, right? And then we're gonna start our loop. Loop is where left is less than equals to right, and then we're gonna do it if first we're gonna calculate the mid. Let mid equals to math dot floor left plus right by 2. Then if our nums dot mid equals to target, then result equals to mid. Okay, now we have to write our conditions. Now if left is nums, like nums dot left is less than nums dot mid, it means the right side is sorted. If the right side is sorted, and we'll check if our target is outside of this sorted portion, right? To check that, we're gonna see like if target is less than nums dot left, or target is greater than nums dot mid. In that particular case, we know that we have to search in the right side, so we're gonna increase our left counter to mid plus 1, else right equals to mid minus 1. If the left is not sorted, now we're gonna do the reverse thing, else if target is greater than nums dot right, we're gonna check the if it's going outside the boundary of right, and or target is less than nums of mid. It means we're gonna search in the left side portion of the array. In that case, we're gonna move right to mid minus 1, else left equals to mid plus 1. Simple. And then at the end, we just have to return our result. So this should solve our problem. So I have written test cases for all these conditions. Also, I created a test case putting the target in the left side. Let's see. Oh, you see already our test cases has passed, but let me run it again. So all of our test cases passed. So thank you.